These look like real creators, right? Real people talking about a product. Different angles, different styles, different personalities. Here's the crazy part. None of these videos are filmed by a human. So how were they made? You can create UGC style ads like these without hiring creators, without filming a single video, and without touching a video editing app. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Claude and Higgsfield to create scroll-stopping product videos in just a few minutes. It's the same workflow marketers and creators are using right now to produce high volumes of content faster than ever. Let's get straight into it. First, let's take a look at what Higgsfield actually does. Higgsfield is an AI content creation platform that lets you generate videos, images, and complete UGC-style ads from a simple text prompt. Think of it as your own AI production studio. Instead of juggling separate tools for scripting, filming, voiceovers, and editing, you can do everything in one place. Take a look at this unboxing video I created. Here's how I did it. In the Higgsfield website, head to Video and choose Seedance 2 model. Then upload the photo of your product and give it a prompt. Here is my prompt. Create a UGC style video of the provided product image in an unboxing scene. Then click Generate and wait for the result. Notice the camera work, the realistic sound effects, and the highly detailed 3D product model. Now check out this one.
This bag is my new everyday go-to, structured, fits my wallet, phone, and keys, and it instantly makes any outfit look put together.
Both of these were created using a powerful AI video model called Seedance 2. Now, here's where things get really powerful. When you connect Higgsfield to Claude, Claude becomes your creative director, while Higgsfield handles the content creation. Instead of juggling multiple tools, everything happens inside a single chat. Let me show you exactly how to set it up. First, head over to the Higgsfield website. Navigate to MCP and CLI. Then select MCP. From there, copy the MCP URL. Next, open Claude. In the top left corner, click your profile menu and select Customize. Find the Connectors section and add a new custom connector. Give it a name. Then paste in the URL you copied from Higgsfield. You will then be prompted to sign in to your Higgsfield account. Once you are logged in, Higgsfield will appear as an active connector inside Claude. And that's it. You're all set. Claude can now generate videos directly through Higgsfield. That's amazing. Now let's actually create something. Head back to the main chat in Claude. This is where everything starts. Simply paste your product link and describe what you'd like to create. For example, you could say, create 4 UGC style video ads showing this product in different lifestyle settings. Hit enter and Claude will take it from there. It can choose the right AI model, generate characters, add voiceovers, and render the final videos for you. You'll literally watch your ads being created without filming or recording a single thing.
I needed a work bag that looks polished but still practical. This one feels sturdy, zips fully, and the handles are comfy. Okay, this ombre handbag has been my morning grab and go. It fits my essentials, looks polished, and the straps feel comfy.
And this is where the real power comes in. Instead of creating just one ad, you can generate multiple variations in minutes. Different hooks, different angles, different audiences. This is exactly how successful marketers identify what works. The more variations you test, the higher your chances of finding a winning ad. Now think about the traditional process. Creating UGC ads can take days. You need to find creators, ship products, wait for filming, edit the footage, and then finally launch your campaign. With Claude and Higgsfield, you can go from idea to finished video in minutes. More importantly, you can test and iterate faster than ever before. And that's the real advantage. Not just creating content faster, but testing ideas faster and discovering what works sooner. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. I post step-by-step tutorials on the latest and most powerful AI tools to save time and get better results. See you in the next one.